Today's event was a powerful event. I can see how over the time that Partnership for Southern Equity has been around, you all have really been cultivating community members, decision makers, elected officials to bring this regional piece together, to make sure that we're talking about equity throughout the entire region and not just in a specific neighborhood, a specific city or a specific county, but how do you connect all those pieces together. What I saw today was folks willing to work together, willing to think about equity, and willing to think about how do they work cross-jurisdictionally and also cross-sectors. Even though we talked about transportation a lot today, you could hear folks talk about health, the economy, education, housing, all of these other pieces that are interconnected around equity, low-income communities, and communities of color. I think that this was a wonderful step in the process, and now we have to turn this dialogue into action.